In today's video, I'm going to share what equipment I recommend you use to create a high quality online course. As you know, I'm a huge fan of online courses. I highly recommend that you package up your expertise into an online course so that you can create a more leveraged digital product that can earn you more income for years and years to come. So, of course, you want your online course to be high quality. You want your students to have a fantastic experience. So let's talk about what you need. The most important thing that you need is high quality sound. So I absolutely would recommend investing in a quality microphone. Just imagine someone sitting there with their headphones on. You want it to be a fantastic experience. So when you're testing the audio for your course, don't just play it through the speakers on your computer. Actually use headphones for that, and then you'll get a more accurate measure of what it sounds like. So when it comes to microphones, my absolute favorite is the Shure MV7 microphone. This thing is so good. It automatically cuts out any background noise, which is very convenient because whenever I need to film something, inevitably something loud outside will start happening. A neighbor will start mowing the lawn. Construction will break out. I don't know. Let me know if that happens to you as well, but it happens all the time. So when I invested in the Shure mic, filming instantly became a lot less stressful. So this is going to take your sound from something like this.
Hi, welcome to my course.
To this. Hi, welcome to my course. Plus, when you invest in a good microphone, it's something that you're going to use in your online business all the time, from Zoom calls with your students or clients to podcast interviews. Maybe you want to do YouTube videos like this. So it's well worth the investment. Next, we have your visuals. So I'm assuming here that you want to show you on camera like this, which is what I would recommend. I think having you on camera, at least in some videos, is really going to help establish that personal connection. I think it makes it more engaging. So overall, I would recommend. Now for this, all you need is a high quality webcam. I am a huge fan of this one. It's a Logitech 4K Brio webcam. All links for everything that I recommend will be in the description down below. But yeah, the quality here is great. So now I'm going to put on screen, I'm going to contrast me just using my Mac computer camera compared to the webcam. And as you can see, the quality instantly gets so much better. So it's just going to take your videos from being grainy and not so professional looking to instantly more elevated and professional. Now, a big factor here that will impact how it looks is your light. So ideally, if you can position yourself near a window, near some natural light, that will be fantastic. If not, you can invest in some lighting like a softbox lighting kit and position that on either side of you. So it's sort of like you'll put one here and shining this way towards you. That can be really fantastic if you're in a darker office space. So now we have your equipment. What about filming? So what do you need to film high quality looking videos and tutorials for your course? That is where the tool Descript comes in. You've heard me mention this before because I am such a huge fan, and I recently did a full tutorial on how to use it. So I will link to that in the description down below. But this is going to allow you to film you on camera or to film your screen, any slides that you might want to share, any tech trainings that you will be doing. It can do all of that and it will film it for you in 4K. So it's going to look great. All right. So once you do all this, now you need somewhere where you can actually package this up. So where will your students log in and actually view these trainings? This is where investing in a quality platform like Kartra or Kajabi really comes in handy because you want the experience from when someone purchases your course to then getting the login information and logging in for the very first time. You want that to be a really smooth and professional experience. So a platform like that is really going to help you. As you know, I use Kartra. I have for many years and I've been really happy with it. But yeah, that's what's actually going to house all of your lessons and where your students will log in. With those things in place, you are in a fantastic position to have a high quality online course. If you have any more specific questions, let me know in the comments down below. As you know, I love this topic, so I'm here to help. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you real soon with another video.